So dear students, in last lecture we have seen the AVL tree and its basic notations. In this section we will see the AVL rotations. Now in AVL tree it is the height balance tree, and for balancing the tree AVL tree perform the 4 type of rotations. Means whenever the balance factor is not proper and whenever the balancing is not done, we can do these 4 rotations and the balancing can be done. That is LL rotation, left rotation, RR rotation, right rotation, LR rotation, left rotation, and RL rotation, that is right left rotation. So the first two rotations, that is LL rotation and RR rotations, are single two rotations, whereas the LR rotation and RL rotations are double rotations. So whenever we are having the unbalanced tree, we at least have a tree of height 2. With this we will understand it one by one. So now whenever there is particular tree which is unbalanced tree, so suppose we can see this particular example over here. This is our left unbalanced tree. Now in this unbalanced tree, what is the balance factor? 2, because our left hand side height is 2 and the right hand side tree's height is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So that's why our balance factor is 2. So we have to balance the particular tree. So for that what we will do, first the right rotation we will perform. So how the right rotation is performed means, whenever there is the LL rotation, then at that time the node is inserted in the left subtree and then the LL rotation is performed. Means the unbalanced node becomes the right child of its left child by performing the right notation. Means you can see over here, this is the unbalanced node. So what we have done, we have done the right rotation, and by right rotation C is brought down at the bottom level. We can see over here C is at the bottom level, means C is the right child now, and now your tree is balanced. We can see over here your tree is balanced. 1 minute. So by doing the LL rotations, we have seen that what we have done, first we have find out which is the node that is in unbalanced manner, and then we have taken it at the bottom by the right rotation, and now here becomes this particular right rotation T. We can see over there by right rotation, this is your balanced tree, that is LL rotation. Means in left rotation the unbalanced node becomes the right child and the tree becomes balanced, that is LL rotation. Now the next is RR rotation. In RR rotation, now we can see this particular tree. Here is the tree. This is the unbalanced node. Again the balance factor is more than 1. So what we have to do, first we can find out which is the unbalanced node. Now we can see over here, this is the unbalanced node. Now this particular unbalanced node is taken at the bottom level, and in this way the tree becomes now balanced. Means the node A is unbalanced node, so we have done the left rotation and then A becomes the left subtree of B. So in this way RR rotation is done. Now the next is LR rotation. So in LR rotation, double rotations are slightly complex. Means what we are doing, now these are double rotations, because the first we have seen they are LL rotation and RR rotation, means they are the single rotations. Now as we are going through the LR rotation, it is the double rotation. So double rotation is the complex version of the previous rotation. So for that we will see it step by step. Now we can see over here, wait, we can see the tree Now see, we can see this particular tree where this is the unbalanced node, that is CAB. So C is your unbalanced node, right? So we have find out which is the unbalanced node. Now we will perform the rotations. How the rotations are performed? In such a way that A will be at the down level and B will be at the up level. Means we first perform the left rotation so that this makes A as the left subtree of B. And now node C is still unbalanced, but it is in the particular format. So this becomes the unbalanced tree. So now for that again balancing, we can take as, we can perform again right rotation as, now C over here, this C can be brought at the bottom level, and in this way this tree is now balanced because every tree is having the proper balance factor, that is the LR rotation. Now the next is LR-RL rotation. So it is again now one type of double rotation. It is combination of right rotation which is followed by the left rotation. So now we can see this particular tree where A is your unbalanced node. We can see with the balance factor 2, A is our unbalanced node. So we can do the swapping in such a way that B will go over here and C will come over here. So we will perform the right rotation so that C will be at the bottom level and B will be at the intermediate level. We can see over here C is at the bottom level, B is at the intermediate, A is at the top level. Still this particular tree needs the balancing because still it is the unbalanced node. So now we will do the left rotation because your unbalanced node is present over here. So we will do the left rotation and A will be at the bottom level. So we can see after taking it at the bottom level, the tree becomes balanced now. So this is the balanced tree now. So for balancing the tree, AVL is responsible for the height balanced tree, and whenever there is the unbalanced tree, by the 4 rotations we can balance the tree, that are LL, RR, LR and RL, where LL, RR are single rotations and LR, RL are double rotations. Thank you.